isn't all about buying products, but a good skincare and products combination. Now, you can be buying a very good skincare product, but your combination is wrong, which will make you not to have that effective result that you have been craving for. So the 3 brightening bar soaps for this video is the Asante papaya soap. You can see that, look at it here. Yeah, and then the Kojisan soap, you can see that, and the third one is the Nano Extra White soap. Now, these 3 brightening soaps are super duper effective, and you want to use them properly in order to get your desired and right results. So in today's video, I'm going to be telling you how to use these 3 brightening bar soaps according to your skin type, okay? Because what works for Nkechi might not work for Ada. Now, before giving you guys these tips, the first thing that needs to get into your mind is that you need a moisturizing bar soap and you also need an antiseptic soap. Don't worry, I'm going to hold your hands and walk you through the reasons why I said you need this soap. Why I mentioned antiseptic soap is that most of us usually enter public transport, or maybe you work in a healthcare center, or probably you might have had a body contact with people outside. Now, you need this antiseptic soap in order to cleanse your skin so that you do not have any skin infection, because you do not know the kind of skin infection that so many people are carrying about. But if you know that you are someone that has your own personal car, from your car you go into your office, you do not usually have contact with people, then you can just get a mild moisturizing soap for yourself. If you fall under the category of these people that I'm about to mention, then double cleansing is definitely for you. So if you know that you have an acne prone skin, you have an oily skin, you are someone that uses makeup often or also sunscreen as well, then double cleansing daily is for you. Now, double cleansing helps to remove excess sebum. What I mean by excess sebum is excess body oil from your body. It also helps to remove your makeup, that is the makeup you usually apply. It also helps to remove sunscreen from your skin and also helps to unclog your pores as well. This double cleansing is very, very effective, especially if you are using a strong brightening soap, because most of the time you need to have your bath with this brightening soap. Your skin tends to become dry after using a brightening soap, so that is why it's effective and important for you to use a moisturizing soap such as the Dove soap, okay, in order for you to return the moisture back to your skin after using a moisturizing soap, okay. Firstly, what you need to do is that you use your brightening soap to wash your body, to exfoliate your body, okay. After washing your body with your brightening soap, this is the brightening soaps I'm talking about, this Asante or this Kojisan soap, and after doing that, you leave it on your skin for about 2 to 3 minutes before rinsing it off. Then after doing that, you go in with your moisturizing bar soap in order to return moisture back to your skin and avoid your skin from becoming dry after using your brightening soap. If you are someone that's goes out with public transport and usually have bodily contact with people outside, then before using your brightening soap, you should go in with your antiseptic soap, okay. Use your antiseptic soap to wash your body first of all, then go in with your brightening soap. After your brightening soap, you go in lastly with your moisturizing soap. But if you do not have bodily contact with people, just use your brightening soap first, then you go in with your moisturizing bar soap, okay. Now, the second method is the day and the night method, and this method is mostly for people that have sensitive skin. Here, you use only your moisturizing bar soap in the morning, then at night you use your brightening soap. And this is because your skin is sensitive and you do not want to trigger your skin by using your brightening soap in the morning time. These brightening soaps that you have or that you are using can make you to have discoloration on your skin. It can make you to have sunburn. It can make you to have hyperpigmentation on your skin. It can also make you to have redness of the skin if you use this soap, these brightening soaps, and you go under the sun with it. So if you know that you're somebody that usually goes under the sun, or your work type involves you going under the sun directly, then please do not use these bar soaps at morning time. Use them only at night in order for you to avoid your skin reacting with this soap, okay. What you should use in the morning is only your bar soap, not your brightening soap, because this brightening soap contains actives in it. Now, the third method in this video is the alternating method. Now this method is very good for sensitive skin as well, and someone that has a dry skin type. If you know that your skin tends to get dry very easily, this alternative method is going to be very good for you. Okay, if you have this type of skin that if you use these brightening soaps or products on your skin and it tends to sting you on your skin, then this alternating method is going to be also very good for you as well. Okay, so we will be using this method only 3 times in a week. Now follow me and understand what I'm trying to say. Now what I mean by we'll use it only 3 times in a week, so on Monday we use our brightening soap. Okay, after using our brightening soap, then on Tuesday and Wednesday we do not use these brightening soaps, we just bathe with our mild moisturizing soap. Then on Thursday we use our brightening soap. Okay, all right, then on Friday, Saturday we do not use this brightening soap, we just take our base with a normal moisturizing soap. Then on Sunday you can use this brightening soap as well. That is what I mean by alternating days. Okay, so guys, this is very good for people who has dry skin type and also a sensitive skin. So we've come to the end of this video, right? So if this video was quite helpful to you, please give this video a like, a share, thumbs up, and also comment in the comment section if you like any of this method. Okay, if you have any questions, ask me in the comment section. I'll be pleased to answer you guys there. Thank you guys always for sticking around for your baby girl. I love you guys so much. See you guys in my next video. Bye and God bless. Mwah.